Welcome to Enjoy Nepal Treks Expedition and Tours in Nepal. This time we are organizing the Mardi Himal Trek. This will be for 5 days itinerary. We met our clients at Pokhara and then we drive to Kare. It's on the way. And before we start our hiking, we decided to have some cup of tea together. And this is the place where we were having tea at Kare.
Jump, jump.
Jump, jump.
Sweaty.
We can make a shortcut today here.
Awesome, yeah, thank
Yes.
you.
Ni hao. Ni hao. Australian cam. It is on the way to Mardi Himal Trek, and today we are going to Pitam Deorali, and this one is the first village after Kare. This trek will be very nice for the nature lover. And now we arrived at Pothana where we do lunch for today. And this is the place where we have to check our Annapurna Conservation Area project permit here. So after lunch, we continue to our journey to Pitam Deorali. So here's the two-way. To the left is we have to go to Annapurna Base Camp, and to the right is on Mardi Himal Trek. And this is our destination for today. And this is the village called Pitam Deorali. And when we go to the Mardi Himal Trek, so most of the people, they stop here for the first night and they overnight here, and then next morning they start to walk for the second day. And next morning we had a lunch early in the morning around at 7 o'clock, and after that we decide to continue our journey to the second day destination. So the destination called Low Camp. So after breakfast, here's two different trail. So if we walk through the left, this trail lead us to Annapurna Base Camp, and we always move to the right trail. So yeah, good morning.
Good
morning. He
morning.
said good morning, and they are happy to start their journey to the low camp. So this is the very beautiful morning. It was very
Good
beautiful morning.
morning.
And on the way, after like 2 hours walk, there's a stop where we can have some cup of tea or some snack before lunch. So if you stop here for tea, you can enjoy with the beautiful view of mountain, including the 7th highest mountain in the world is called Dhaulagiri, which is 8,167 meters from the sea level. And after tea, we're enjoying our journey through the beautiful jungle. And finally, we arrived at Forest Camp. This is the place, Forest Camp. We stop for lunch. And after lunch, we have to walk 2 more hours to get our destination, Low Camp.
Yes, time to eat.
What do you want to eat?
Dal bhat.
Dal bhat.
Dal bhat pawar. And finally, we arrived at Locam, and it was a very beautiful morning. And this one is our hotel, and to the behind, the beautiful mountain is called Machapusre, which is 6,900 meters from the sea level.
Locam.
And our third day, we start from here, and we arrived at Badaldara. This is the first village after the Locam, where we can stop for lunch. And it also very beautiful mountains, beautiful weather, beautiful people, everything is going well. So this is our destination today for a high camp. And we arrived at high camp, and we had some snacks. French fry. French fry at the best camp. High camp. And this is the evening view from the high camp. Clear weather. We feel like we're
To the right,
flying on the
Himchuli.
mountain and clouds. So this is the way we have to wake up early in the morning. So tomorrow morning we have to wake up very
Mardi Himal High Camp.
early in the morning, around
And
like
here somewhere in
4
Fistale.
o'clock. So it depends on our speed. So if we can walk faster, then we can start around at 4 o'clock. Otherwise, if you can't walk properly, then we have to walk. We have to start around 3 o'clock to go to view point. So this is the pictures I took from the viewpoint, and all the trekkers, they are walking with the lights, and everyone. Yes, finally we're here. This is for the celebration. Kukuri ram. And everyone get very cold, and we tried some kukuri ram, and it made us very warm. And finally, we feel like all the teams feel like energetic.
They're not ready.
Just a little bit.
Okay, go. Just for the show, yeah? Yeah.
Okay, it's your turn now.
Oh no.
This is for you.
Oh my god, that's a lot. That's a lot.
And here we took some pictures with the banner Enjoy Nepal Treks, because this trek is organized by Enjoy Nepal Treks Expedition and Tours from Kathmandu. So see, we had a beautiful weather, beautiful mountains view, and a beautiful sunrise.
Congratulations,
Finally we made it. And yeah, we already made it here, and I congratulate again. And how was your trip?
It was very good. Very good. Hard.
Really? Well, I wouldn't say hard.
No?
But
I find it hard. But I'm feeling good now.
yeah, okay, difficult.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it was beautiful. You're amazing.
Can you tell me something about the food and accommodation this route here?
The what, sorry?
Food
food.
and lodges, I mean.
Food and lodges?
Yes.
Yeah, all good.
Food. I mean, I love the fried rice and fried noodles and dal bhat.
I can eat local and Nepali food. Dal bhat, 24-hour power, yeah?
The power,
Hour,
Yes.
20.
that goes 24 hours.
That's it.
Yes.
And I'm wondering that you from the one country, UK, and you are from China. But how did you find us? Like, how did you find the Enjoy Nepal?
Find the people.
You found it. No, you found the company, no?
How do I find you?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
How do I find you? Is it I was just on Google and some reviews, maybe TripAdvisor, I can't remember.
Okay.
And yeah, all perfect reviews. So there you go. Easy choice.
Oh yeah, thank you. All right.
Thank
Cheers.
you. Cheers. 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 Cheers.
Yeah, this is the group pictures of our team, and there are some snow when we're coming back, and this is not so bad. We can walk through the snow.
Don't like roll down the hill.
And after the viewpoint, we went back to the same place and we had breakfast, and we continue our journey back to low camp. And next morning from low camp, after breakfast, we walk all the way down to Sirding. It took us like 3 hours, and then we took a jeep there and we drive to Pokhara. But the road was totally off-road for like 45 minutes, and then after we got the real road and we drive to Pokhara. It took us like 1.5 hours, and finally we arrived at Pokhara, and there's one very big lake. It's called Phewa Lake, and we did some boating and some other activities. And here are other people like local tourists and the international tourists. They are enjoying on the boat. So in Pokhara you can also visit some others like touristic place and also some pilgrim site, and this is the place called Pumtikot, from where you can see others many mountains. But we can't believe that we were already here. And so finally, thanks for watching this video, and if you want to book this trip, you can visit our website www.enjoynepal.com. Thank you.